Is that time of the year where it's really cold in the morning, but like really warm in the afternoon, so you don't know what you want? So I figured brats and soup sound good. Brats are considered a sandwich, right? I don't know. I figured a potato soup would go really well with brats, so I just threw one together, starting off with a mirepoix of onions, carrots, and celery. You don't have to be really precise on these, you just chop them up. Make sure they're about the same size though. All it is so it cooks evenly. Then I rough chop some garlic. This is all going in a blender, so nothing has to be precise. I'm just using some russet potatoes. I grabbed about 3 of them, and they're about a pound each. And then I chop those up as well. Store them in some water. That way they don't discolor while you're waiting to add them to the soup. And for potato soup, I like to add bacon. So I just chopped up some bacon, then toss that into a cold pot to render off all that fat, and then save the bacon for garnish later. And then add your mirepoix straight in the bacon fat. Cook that until it's soft, then add your garlic and some spices, salt, pepper, Allepo pepper, and then in goes your potatoes, and cover that with chicken stock and a little bit of milk, or heavy cream, whichever one you got. While that's cooking over medium heat, go ahead and cook off your brats. Poke the skin so they don't break while they're cooking. For stovetop brats, I like to just get color on both sides, remove them, and then add a bunch of onions. Season them with a little bit of salt and pepper, and then let them cook for a bit. Once the onions are about halfway done, go ahead and add in your brats, and then pour in a liquid. You can use beer, but I'm using water. Then cover them and let them cook for about 15 minutes. While those are cooking, all the vegetables in your soup should be soft. Then you can blend it up until it's really smooth and silky. Work in batches if you need to. After it's the consistency you like, make sure you season it with some salt and vinegar to taste. I'm using sherry vinegar, and this soup takes a lot of salt, so keep going until everything tastes really nice. Once your brat's cooked and your soup is finished, go ahead and ladle your soup into a bowl. Garnish it with some celery leaves, bacon, and cracked pepper. There's a bunch of different garnishes you can add, like cheese or hot sauce, etc., but I like to keep it simple. Same with the brats. I just go with onions, sauerkraut, and some stone ground mustard. This was really good. The soup and sandwich combo of a brat and potato soup is up there with my favorites. I've never had it before. Not quite a grilled cheese and tomato soup, but definitely up there. Thanks for hanging out with me while I cook dinner. I hope you have a good one. Hit that like button, and I'll see you later.